Next, when we talk about 40, with reference to educational commissions and policies in colonial India, consider the following information. Wood's dispatch, establishment of university in presidency towns, Hunter Commission, emphasis on primary education and local board involvement, Indian Universities Act, promotion of private university autonomy and liberal affiliation. So which of the following statements is generally true? Now see, Wood's dispatch, it is generally considered to be the Magna Carta of Indian education. So Wood's dispatch, the reason that it is known as the Magna Carta is because that it suggested some things that are very much beneficial for the Indian education system. So here, establishment of university in presidency towns, that means, providing education to the other people also. So that is also going to be there. So first one is correct. Then after that, when we talk, whenever you read about the Hunter Commission, you are going to be quite aware that the Hunter Commission, there were two Hunter Commissions that are going to be there. One Hunter Commission is also is going to be on the education, and second Hunter Commission is going to be on the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So this Hunter Commission, it was also a commission that involved positive development of education, and here it is positive development, that is emphasis on primary education and local board involvement. But the Indian Universities Act of 1904, this was an oppressive act that was introduced by Curzon, wherein he is going to focus on British taking the control over the Indian universities governance. Okay, so it did not talk on autonomy, but it talked on snatching their snatching their powers. So that is going to be there. Okay, so here this is the idea.